Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is how to use Instagram stories and what they look like on Instagram. So if you've never really done Instagram stories before, this is a great introduction. So first I'm just going to click on my phone onto the Instagram app and I can see my profile that's come up, and I have posted a story on here about IJL the other day. So if I click on the main round icon just above where it says Jessica Rose Jewelers Academy, where the star is, then I can see my own stories. So I can see the first slide, and then if I tap on it, I can see the second one, and I've asked some questions. I can see the answer to my questions so far, and I can keep clicking along and scroll through my own stories. Now my stories are only going to stay up for 24 hours, so they've already been up for 17 hours. If you see at the top where it says your story, 17 hours, which means I've only got a couple of hours left on these ones, and then there are ways that I can save it, but for now that's what I can see. So I'm just going to come out, and that's my story. To see someone else's story, I'm going to click on the little home icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and that takes me to my home, and I can see at the top where all those circles are, colourful circles, these are people that I follow and their stories. So if we're still on IJL, if I click on there, then I can see their story, and I can flick forwards and backwards using my finger through their stories. And lovely Ellen, who is one of the jewelers in our community. And I also get adverts, so this is not someone I'm following, this is just an advert that's coming up. And then back again to some more jewelers. Follow lots of jewelers, so you can flick through and see what people are posting. Then these ones here with the little arrows at the bottom are live, so if I click on that, it's taking me to a live video. This was recorded. So that's how I can see stories of my own and people I'm following, and next up I'm going to show you how to create your own.